Step 1. This one's called the wobble. So watching us, 3, 4. Step together, step, back together, step. So we're going to break it down for you now. So if you put your arms out, we're going to step to your right. So following us, step together, step, back together, step. One more time, 3, 4. Step together, step, back together, step. Now this is where we add the wobble. So if you roll onto the top of your feet a little, you're going to shake your knees like this. Yep. So now we're going to add in the move we just learned. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Step together, step, back together, step. Awesome.
Nice. Step 2 is the roly-poly. So 3, 4.
Roly-poly.
So there's two parts. There's the leaning forward, stepping in, and the coming back and bringing your feet together. Let's add the hands. Stepping forward, coming back. Let's try that again. 3, 4.
Awesome.
Step 3, the step back clap. 3, 4. Step back, step. Awesome. So there's the first part is stepping to your right, turning back, and turning again, and clap. Awesome. So let's do that again. Step back, step.
So step 4 is the shimmy. So we've just done the step back clap. So watching us. 3, 4. Shimmy, shimmy. One more time. 3, 4. Shimmy, shimmy. So now we have the back clap. So watching us. 3, 4. Back. Woo! Woo! So we're going to break it down. So what you're going to do is you're going to start on your right. You're going to step back and come together and clap. Then back again and clap. Following us one more time. 3, 4. Back, clap, back, clap. Now we're going to add in the sound. So when we clap, we go woo on it. Ready? 3, 4. Woo! Woo!
Step 6, the basketball. 3, 4. Basketball up. So pretty easy. Starting with your hands on the right, to the left, top right, top left. Let's do that again. 3, 4. Basketball up. Sing it with us. 3, 4.
Basketball
up.
Alright, step 7. So this is our last move for the dance, and this is what starts the line dance. So this will transition us to the left. So watching us, this is called the crisscross. 3, 4. Crisscross. Awesome. So pretty much, grab your arms, you're going to cross them over, and when you cross them over, you're going to jump your feet together, and then you're going to jump to your left. So dance with us. Ready? 3, 4. Crisscross. That was the last dance move. We're so excited to see it all together. So we're going to take it from the top. So watching Josh and I or dancing with Josh and I. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and wobble.